Hello student, today we are now going to discuss point group. In previous lecture we are already discussed binary operation, isomorphic binary structures and some examples of that point. Okay, here today we discuss point group. Okay, this is an important point of in that chapter. Here what is meant by group means there is an one non-empty set and one binary operation star depend on that set and which satisfy four properties. First property is closure property, second property is associative property, third property is existence of identity element, means in given set there is an exist identity element, and fourth property is inverse of existence of inverse element. Okay, definition of group. Definition: a non-empty set G. A non-empty set G means there is an at least in given set there is an at least one element. There are some for infinity elements maybe, but at least one element in that set. A non-empty set G with binary operation binary operation star. Binary operation, definition of a binary operation is already seen in first lecture. Okay, a binary operation with binary operation star is said to be a group. Is said to be a group if it satisfies following properties. Okay, first property is closure property. Okay, closure property for all, this is a symbol of for all AB belongs to set G, which implies that A star B also belongs to in given set G. Okay, second property is associative property. For all ABC belongs to set G. For all ABC of set G, we have bracket A star B bracket complete star C equal to A star B binary operation star C. Here star is any binary operation, means multiplication, addition, okay, or subtraction, division. In that this is don't know this binary operation, what is binary operation on depend. In general, this is definition of group. There is apply given notation, binary operation notation is star. Okay, third is inverse of existence of identity element. Existence of identity element. There is an element in G. There is an element G. There is an element E. Suppose identity element have notation E in G such that in G such that in G such that for all x belongs to G, for all x belongs to G, for all x belongs to G, x star x means A, x or A star E equal to E star A equal to A itself. And fourth property is existence of identity element means there is one of the element in given set G exists such that when binary operation apply on that element means any element in G E and binary for all A belongs to G, when binary operation apply on that element the value must be A itself. Okay, and fourth property is existence of inverse element, here there is an for every A belongs to G there is an element A inverse in G, there is an element A inverse in G such that A star A inverse equal to A inverse star A equal to identity. Okay, here we see that closure property means there is any element when binary operation on that element the value must be in that set G. Okay, here suppose that any element given that for all AB when binary operation on that element the value must be in G. Suppose that in set of natural number is started from 1 to infinity. Okay, 1 to up to so on. Here set of natural number means any two real number for closure property for any two natural numbers given that their addition must be in natural number. So if suppose star is applied binary operation is depend on plus means set of natural number plus, for plus star there is a natural number means A plus B also belongs to set of natural number for all elements in that set. Okay, here addition of two natural number is again a natural number, but when binary operation is applied on here minus sign means negative, binary operation is applied on set of natural number is negative, minus sign means negative, then to choose any two elements 2 and 4 and their subtraction when 4 minus 2 equal to 2 belongs to set of natural number, but in that set here subtraction is reverse way 2 minus 4 then value must be minus 2, but here minus 2 does not belongs to set of natural number because set of natural number is started from 1. Okay, therefore minus 2 does not belongs to n, therefore set of natural number n is not closed under negation. Okay, not closed under negation means negative minus sign for negativity. Okay, this for 2 and 4 this condition is satisfied, but here given in definition for all A not only one, for all element this condition is satisfied, then given set is closed under given binary operation star. Okay, similarly associativity given set for all element thus satisfy this property A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Okay, for all element not only one of the some elements some element, not for some elements. Okay, this condition is satisfied for all elements, then associate E is holding that set with binary, given binary operation star. Okay, and third property is existence of identity element. Existence of identity element means there is an given set G, there is an one element, only one element is exist, and that there is an only one element is exist on that set. When binary operation given element E, and for all element in G, for all A element in G, their binary operation when apply on A and E, their value must be A. Means A is for all any element of that set G. That means A is also E or not equal to E. Okay, means that A and all elements E also, A and E star E also equal to E, and A star E also equal to A. Means that there is an one element in G exist which satisfy this condition, A star E equal to E star A equal to A. And fourth property, existence of inverse element. Existence of inverse element means given set G has for every element in G, there is an every element an inverse exist and on that in that given set G. Means that suppose that here already given set of natural number. Okay, and binary operation is apply addition. Here identity element, given set identity element for addition, associate is also holding that given set natural number, but identity element there is 0 does not belongs to in that set, but for addition identity element is 0 because for all A belongs to set of natural number, A plus for binary operation is plus into some identity equal to A itself. When this equality is satisfied, when E equal to 0, but 0 does not belongs to set of natural number N. Therefore set of natural number identity element does not exist. Therefore one given property is failed. But in set of real number, for addition or multiplication, for addition identity element is 0. Means for all A belongs to R, there exists 0 belongs to set of real number, such that A plus 0 equal to A itself. And for multiplication, for all A belongs to set of real number R, there exists 1 belongs to R, such that A into 1 equal to A itself. Okay. Here identity element is only one single element in exist on that given set G, but for inverse element there is an for every element there is an inverse element is exist. Means that inverse element for every element there is an different inverse element or same inverse element exist in that set. Here suppose that choose any set, suppose that Z with respect to multiplication. Okay, Z is closed under closed under multiplication, closed under which associate also hold in that set of integer Z, and identity element 1 is also exist in set of integer Z. Means that for all A belongs to Z, 1 also belongs to Z, there exists 1 belongs to Z, such that A into 1 equal to A itself. But in Z, set of integer Z, there does not exist inverse element of A. That means it means that a belongs to set of integer z. There does not exist 1 upon a. Here inverse with respect to multiplication is 1 upon a, because identity element is 1, and a into a inverse equal to 1 when this satisfies this a into a inverse equal to 1 when what value of a inverse is exist, or a into a inverse equal to 1 when satisfy this equality, when a inverse equal to 1 upon a. Okay, but 1 upon a does not belongs to set of integer z, because this is an rational number. Therefore rational number does not contain set of integer. Therefore here inverse element is not exist when, but in given set set of real number, but given set of real number inverse element is exist, because for all a belongs to R there exists and 1 upon a also belongs to R, means that 2 belongs to set of real number. For multiplication for all a 2 belongs to set of real number, there exists 1 by 2 belongs to set of real number, such that 2 into 1 by 2 equal to identity 1. Okay, similarly for all element inverse is exist in set of real number, but in set of integer z with respect to multiplication inverse element is does not exist, and therefore inverse element is not exist in set of integer with respect to multiplication, and in set of real number inverse element is exist in that given set of real number. Therefore set of real number is an group. Means how to show given set is group. Okay, there is an 4 property. One non-empty set means that given set at least one element. There is an also infinity element also, but at least minimum one element is exist in that set. At least one element in that set with binary operation star. Star is an notation of binary operation, means addition, multiplication, or division, or subtraction. Okay, star is any operation is depend on that set. Here star is only notation on that set, and we satisfy these 4 properties. Means closure property means that there two binary, when apply on binary operation on 2 elements, their value must be an given set. Associate is when this equality is satisfied, then associate also hold. Identity element means that given set one element is exist on that set E, we satisfy this inequality, means that binary operation is applied on that identity element E, and for all element A in G we satisfy this condition. A star E equal to A itself, means value must be A itself, and inverse element means for every element A belongs to G, there is an inverse element is exist in that set. Okay, that means here set of real number 2 has inverse is 1 by 2, 3 has inverse 1 by 3, but 1 by 3 has inverse is 3. Similarly inverse element is different for every element, but identity element is only single element exists in that set. We satisfy for all element, this condition. For every element of this condition, A star E equal to value is must be A. Here suppose that given set 2 into 1 by 2 equal to identity 1. Okay, and here suppose that 2 into 1 given set identity element here 2 into identity element E equal to 2. Here identity element is unique. Here identity element is 1. Also 2 into 1 equal to 2. But 2 into or 3 into 1 equal to 3 means identity element is is unique in that set, but inverse element for every element, inverse element is different for every element in that set. Okay, this is a definition of group. Then next definition, semi group, and it is denoted by given set, and it is denoted by G star or G star. Okay, this is a notation of group. Okay, G star, G comma star bracket complete and G star. Okay, this is a notation of group. Okay, next definition, semi group. Next definition, semi group. Semi group, a non-empty set G with binary operation, a non-empty set G, a non-empty set G with binary operation, a non-empty set G with binary operation, a non-empty set G with binary operation star, binary operation star is said to be a semi group, if is said to be a semi group if closure property and associative property closure property and associative property hold with respect to binary operation star. Okay, for example, set of natural number with binary operation addition, usual addition is a semi group, but not a group, with respect to binary operation, addition means usual addition on set of natural number n. Okay, why this is not a group and this is semi group? Why it is not a group? Because which does not satisfy or which does not satisfy third and fourth property, existence of identity element and existence of inverse element, and closure property and associative property holds on n, because closure property and associative property holds closure property and associative property holds on n with respect to addition. That is, choose any two closure property means choose any two elements on set n and their addition must be natural number. Okay, addition of two natural numbers is again n natural number. That is for all a b belongs to n, a plus b also belongs to set of natural number n, and for all a b c belongs to natural number n, a plus b plus c equal to a plus B plus C. This property also holds natural number. Therefore, closure property and associative property holds on set of natural number. But set of natural number is not group. Why? Because which does not satisfy, or because existence of identity element does not exist on set of natural number, because since for A belongs to n, there does not exist identity element. Here identity element, there does not exist identity element E belongs to set of natural number such that A plus E equal to E plus A equal to A itself, because here identity element A equal to 0, which does not belongs to n, set of natural number n. Therefore, identity element does not exist in set of natural number n. Therefore, set of natural number n is not a group with respect to binary operation star. That is n plus is not a group, not a group. Okay, one of the property is fail, then given set is not group with given operation, given binary operation. Okay, when this satisfy all four properties, then we say that this is group. Here one of the properties fail, then which is not a group. Okay, next, commutative group. Next definition, commutative group or commutative group or abelian group. Commutative group or abelian group. Okay, this is very simple definition. Commutative group or abelian group. A group is said to be abelian group or commutative group group if A star B equal to B star A. For all AB belongs to, for all a group G is said to be abelian group or commutative group if A star B equal to B star A, for all AB belongs to G. Okay, or for all, when this property is satisfied, that is A star B equal to B star A, when any operation is applied on that elements of group, then we satisfy this property, means A star B equal to B star A, then we say that given group is abelian group. Okay, next definition, finite group. Next definition, finite group. Okay, finite group means, it is a very simple definition. Finite group means a group G is said to be finite group if it has finite number of elements. It is a very simple definition, means that when in group there are finite number of elements, then given group is finite group. And when any group G has infinite number of elements, that is which is not countable, infinite group. First we discuss finite group. A group G is said to be a finite group if it has a finite number of it has a finite number of elements. Finite number of elements. For example, set of Zn, which means that Zn is set of integer modulo n. In that elements are 0, 1, 2 up to so on n minus 1 element. This is an totally n number of elements. Therefore, given elements is n. Therefore, which is finite element. Next definition: infinite groups. Infinite groups. A group, infinite groups means a group G is said to be a infinite group if it has a infinite number of elements. It has a infinite number of elements. For example, set of real numbers, set of integer, set of rational number, and so on, set of complex number, and etc. Okay. Next definition: order of a group. Order of a group. Order of a group means the total number of element. The total number of element in group. Total number of element in group G is called order of a group. Is called order of a group. Is called order of a group G, and it is denoted by G or order of G. This is cardinality of G. Okay. Here lastly, remark. If means in general given binary operation. Remark is say that in general G is binary operation with usual addition, means regular addition is applied. Regular addition is defined binary operation on that set. Then if G is non-empty set, with binary operation addition, usual addition means regular addition, regular addition is group if first condition closure property for all AB belongs to G, which implies that A plus B also belongs to G. Second, associativity property for all ABC belongs to G such that A plus B plus C equal to A plus in bracket B plus C. And third condition is existence of identity element. In existence of identity element in that set with binary operation usual addition for A belongs to G, for all A belongs to G, there is an element E belongs to G such that a plus e equal to e plus a equal to a itself. Okay, here identity element when binary operation is defined on that set is usual addition, then identity element e must be or e equal to 0. Okay, because a plus 0 equal to a itself or 0 plus a equal to a itself. When binary operation is usual addition, then identity element sometimes e equal to identity element is 0. Okay, and fourth is existence of inverse element. Existence of inverse element for every a belongs to G, there is an element for every a belongs to G, there is an element a inverse in G such that a plus a inverse equal to a inverse plus a equal to identity E. Here identity element is 0. When identity element is 0, when satisfy this equality, a inverse, what value of a inverse? Here inverse element is a inverse equal to negative of a or negation of a, means a plus minus a equal to minus a plus a equal to 0, because 0 is identity of element and inverse of a is minus a. For usual addition means regular addition, for binary operations addition. Okay, identity element is 0 and inverse element is minus a. Okay, this is our first remark. This is first remark. And second remark is if G is non-empty, set with binary operation is multiplication, binary operation with binary operation dot means usual multiplication means regular multiplication. Usual multiplication is a group if first condition is, what is first condition of group? Closure property is for all AB belongs to G, which implies that A dot B means their multiplication also belongs to in that given set G. Second property, associativity property, for all ABC belongs to set G such that A into B bracket complete into C equal to A into in bracket B into C. Okay, this is associative property. Okay, and third condition is third property, existence of identity element. Existence of identity element. What is condition of identity element? For all A belongs to G, there exists identity element E belongs to G such that A into E equal to E into A equal to A itself. When this condition is satisfied, what value of E? Here identity element is E equal to 1. Always when binary operation is usual multiplication depend on that given set G, then identity element must be is 1. Okay, but not a binary operation is usual multiplication, then identity element is 1 or any other element. Okay, but when binary operation is usual multiplication, then identity element sometimes identity element is must be existence of fourth property, existence of inverse element. Existence of inverse element. Here for every A belongs to G, there exists A inverse belongs to G, such that A into A inverse equal to A equal to identity. Here identity is 1 when what values of A inverse which satisfy this inequality. Here inverse of A is what is inverse of A? Is A inverse equal to 1 upon A. When binary operation is usual multiplication, then inverse element of A is 1 upon A, because identity element is 1, that is A into 1 upon A equal to 1. This is an identity element. Okay, therefore when binary operation is usual multiplication on that given set G, then inverse element of A is 1 upon A. But binary operation is usual addition, then inverse of A is minus A, and identity element of usual addition is 0, but multiplication, binary operation is multiplication, then identity element is 1. Okay, this is an first remark and this is second remark. Okay.